Ching! Hi, guys! Good morning! Say hi, guys! Say, ay ko. Hi, guys! Ngumingiti. Hi, guys! We're here at the lounge. She said, we're here at the lounge. I'm here with Mommy. So, another day, another vlog tayo. Continuation ng vlog natin. By the way, guys, anyway, may bago akong routine. Kahit nandito ako sa bahay, kailangan nag-aayos ako. Isn't it, anak? So, kailangan naka-makeup tayo kahit papano. Foundation. Tapos, lip tint. Yung gamit kong foundation ngayon is MAC. Lip tint by Benefit. Shade nito ay yung Play Tint. Meron din ako ditong lip glow ng Dior. Yan. Kasi nagka-crack yung ating lips, meron tayong chopsticks. So, kailangan, kahit nandito lang tayo sa bahay, tumatawa si Aliyah, kailangan, si Mami ay nag-aayos. Hindi pwedeng nakapajama tayo all day. Hindi rin pwedeng hindi tayo mag-ayos. Sinet, Aliyah? Ha? You make sure that Mommy is looking after herself, isn't it? Yeah. Okay. For Mommy's mental health. Kasi, I feel so low every time I see myself na parang nalolosyang na ba? Parang wag naman, kahit nandito lang sa bahay, talagang sinisikap kong mag-ayos. Yan. Diba? Para kahit papano, kahit walang nakakakita sa atin, kahit si baby lang at si daddy, tayo ay, ngumiti siya. Tingnan niyo, guys. Tayo ay, tell Mommy, tayo ay, yes, good answer, Aliyah. Yes, that's it. I know, right? That's why Mommy needs to get ready in the morning, even though we are staying at home. Yeah? Ayun, guys, kailangan kahit nasa bahay lang ay mag-ayos tayo, 'di ba? Maglalagay na ako ng aking blush on. Ito yung lip and cheek tint by Benefit. Ayan. O, diba? Parang blush on tayo. Kasi napansin ko nung mga nakaraang mga weeks, nakapajama lang ako buong araw. Alam niyo, ang sama ng pakiramdam ko, parang hindi ako happy. Tapos nung sabi ko, kailangan kahit na hindi ako lalabas, I still have to get ready. Oh, yes. I know. Yeah. So, kailangan mag-ayos tayo. Napibag ni Aliyah. Yeah. Narinig niyo yun, guys. Sumisigaw siya. Why are you telling the guys? Are you vlogging? Yeah, you're vlogging. Hello, guys. Welcome to our channel. Oh. Oh, you gonna hold the camera? Oh my. Ay, devices. Yes. Yeah. You're right, Aliyah. That's very clever. Nakakatuwa tong anak ko. Since nag 3 months siya, sobrang parang nakikipag-connect na siya. Like, she tries to communicate na parang nagsasalita din siya. Like now, o kaya kausap niya yung lola niya. Aba, nakikipag-usap talaga. Tingnan nyo ha. Marunong na siya. Nagulat talaga ako at 3 months. Nung kaka 3 months na, like the day nang nag 3 months siya. Oh my goodness, nag-send kami ng message dun sa cousin niya sa video. Sabi ko, say happy birthday, cousin. And then nagsalita siya ng gumaganon siya. Nag-mumble. Ay, lalala. Ayun. So, anyway. Hello. She's 3 months old now. Hi. Do you want to say hi to the guys? Do you want to say hi to the guys? Hi, guys. I'm Aliyah. Yeah. Hello. We're just hanging out in our sofa. Aliyah doesn't want to go back to sleep. Yeah. She wants to play. Play with mommy. Do you want to play with mommy? Close open. So Aliyah is actually learning how to do close open, guys. So, tinuruan ko siya. When was it? 2 days ago? Yeah. Let's show the guys here. Close open. 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 Show the guys. Close open. 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 Sige na. Continuation to ng ating vlog previously. So, just an update. Medyo may mga update naman ako sa life. Kasi wala namang masyadong bago sa life. Recently, andito nga pala si Aliyah. Playing in her play gym. Hello, baby. Hi. Say hi to the guys. Hi, guys. Ayan. She loves her play gym. Nandyan na siya, mga 1 oras na siyang naglalaro, pero hindi pa rin siya nagrereklamo. And, so, update. Meron pala akong mga pinurchase recently. So, may mga, ito, in-order ko to like 2 weeks ago. Yan. Our family Christmas card. So, meron din dyang warm wishes from the Fang family. Then, ito yung picture namin as a family. Ayan. So, ito, papadala ko dun sa mga taong gusto kong bigyan ng cards. Ayan. So, meron ako ditong Christmas cards and then yung kanyang envelope. Hello guys! So, andito tayo ngayon sa kitchen. Anong petsa na? 4:14 na ng hapon. So, ngayong araw, meron tayong gagawing yearly tradition. Pupunta pa to ng Philippines. So, as my yearly tradition, before I always send Christmas card sa aking previous na employer. Or sa aking previous colleagues when I was still in the Philippines. So, previously, sa St. Luke's Medical Center ako, Quezon City. Ako nag-work before ako pumunta dito sa UK. So, pumunta ako dito sa UK, it has been my tradition to send Christmas cards. So, it's a very special edition this year because yearly, kasi since 2015, nagpapadala ako ng mga Christmas cards, pero yung special cards, ganun. Pero this time, it's extra special because I have here our family photo. So, tatlo yan, tatlong different versions. So, that's me, my husband, Aliyah, our dog, and my stepdaughter, Summer. So, ito yung ipapadala ko sa Philippines. And tatlo, normally, yung pinapadala ko Isa dun sa department namin dati, sa St. Luke's. And then, may dalawang doctors. Akong laging pinapadalhan ng Christmas cards. So, kaya, lagi ko silang pinapadalhan ng Christmas cards. So, gawin na natin. Kasi nakabili na ako kahapon ng stamp. Yan. Tsaka yung airmail. So, ihuhulog na namin ito mamaya pag nag-walking kami with Daddy and Lady and Aliyah. So, gawin na natin. So, let's seal it. Then, papadala na natin.